Hello, Namaste. This is me, Professor Lorky. In today's class, I'm gonna talk about some conditional sentences. Mainly, there are four types of conditional sentences from zero type to third type. Okay, let's get started. Today's topic: conditional sentence. Types of conditional sentences. Zero type for general facts and scientific truth. First type for future possibility. Second type for the possibility in the past. Third type for imaginary future in the past. Dear students, pause the video and analyze the structure of the sentences written there. If you heat butter, it melts. Number 2. If you boil water, it changes into vapor. The structure in if clause subject plus verb 1 or verb 5, and in main clause subject plus verb 1 or verb 5. There is the combination of if clause and main clause in any conditional sentence. Dear students, now look at some exercises regarding the first type of conditional sentence. Okay. Choose the correct option to fill in the gaps. If you cut your finger, it doesn't, bleeds, will bleed, would bleed. Question number B. If you put a glass of water in deep freeze, it doesn't, freezes, will freeze, will have frozen. The last question. If you put a lump of ice into water, it doesn't, dissolves, will dissolve. Okay, I guess you might have thought about the right answer. Let's check. Question number A. The correct answer is bleeds. Remember the structure. If you do not remember, rewind the video and watch it again for the structure. Number B. The right answer is freezes. And number C. It's dissolves. Okay. Let's talk about first type of conditional sentence. For example, if you invite me, I will come to your party. Next, if you give me money, I can buy a car. Last, if it rains, I will take an umbrella. Look the structure. If plus subject plus verb 1 or verb 5, and subject plus will, can, may plus verb 1. This is the structure of first type of conditional sentence. Now, it's the time for exercise. Conditional sentence type 1. Choose the correct option to fill in the gaps. Question number A. If you study hard, you did exam. Pass, will pass, would pass. Dear students, keep guessing the right answer from the options. Now look, number B. If she wakes up late, she doesn't late for school. Be, will be, and would be. The last question is, if you ask me, I didn't help you. Can, could, would. I hope you have guessed the right answer. Okay, let's check. Question number A. The right answer is will pass. If you study hard, you will pass exam. Will plus verb 1 here. And answer number B. It is will be. Will plus verb 1. B is also verb 1. And number C. It is can. Can is in the structure and help is verb 1. Can plus verb 1. Can. Now talk about the second type of conditional sentence. Look at the examples. If you invited me, I would come to your party. Next, if you gave me money, I could buy a car. And the third one, if it rained, I might take an umbrella. Compare the verbs used there. And remember the structure of second type of conditional sentence. In if clause, there is subject plus verb 2. In main clause, subject would, might plus verb 1. Conditional sentence type 2. Choose the correct option to fill in the gaps. Question number A. If you studied hard, you did exam. This question is like the previous one, because if you go comparing these sentences, it would be easier for you to understand the concept. Okay. If you studied hard, you did exam. Pass, will pass, would pass. Number B. If she woke up late, she did late for school. B, will be, and would be. The last one. If you asked me, I didn't help you. Can, could, would have. Okay, let's check the answer. Question number A. The correct answer is would pass. Verb 2. There is studied verb 2. And if there is verb 2, we need to write here would plus verb 1 after subject in main clause. Okay. Next answer. Here also would be. If she woke up, here is also verb 2. And we need would, should, could, might plus verb 1. So here is would be. So would be is written here. And the last one, look, it is could. If you asked me, in main clause we need to write subject plus would, should, could, might plus verb 1. Here can, could, would have. So what is the correct? COULD, could. That's it. And finally, let's talk about third type of conditional sentence. Look at the example. If you had invited me, I would have come to your party. Look the verbs, had plus verb 3. Second, if you had given me money, I could have bought a car. And the third one, if I had studied hard, I might have passed exam. And this is the structure. Remember the structure of third type of conditional sentence. Look, in if clause, there is if plus subject plus had plus verb 3, and in main clause there should be subject would, could, might, have plus verb 3. It's the time for the exercise for third type of conditional sentence. Again, choose the correct option to fill in the gaps. Question number A. If you had studied hard, you did it exam. Options: pass, will pass, could have passed. Question number B. If she had woken up late, she did it late for school. Options: B, will be, would have been. And the third question, if you had asked me, I didn't help you. And the options are can, could, might have. Okay. I hope you have guessed the right option. Let's check. Question number A. Yes, the right option is could have passed, because in if clause there is the structure subject had plus verb 3, and if there is subject had plus verb 3 in if clause, we need to write could, would, could, might have plus verb 3. Here is could have verb 3. Next answer. Okay, if she had woken up late, she would have been late for school. Again here subject had plus verb 3, here is would have plus verb 3. And question number A, there is could have plus verb 3, there is would have plus verb 3. The last, if you had asked me, had verb 3, I might have, subject might have verb 3. Verb 3 is already given there, so you need to choose might plus have. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video. I guess it helped you a bit, and keep watching my channel. Bye.